What's up guys, so today I'm going to DigiDirect in Sydney to pick up something special. Stay tuned.
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us.
The train on platform 1 goes to City Circle.
Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. But we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we wake up? We weren't supposed to break up. It's too late to make up to what my heart meant. This should not be us, not be us, not be us.
So I'm finally here. Look at that sign. Look at that sign. I'm here to pick up the Ronin-S.
You put the deposit?
Yeah, put it. I had a call on Tuesday. Look at that. See the camera. Woo. Finally got it.
Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love not be us, not us, not us.
I'm home guys, and I finally got this little toy for myself. My video learnings have been incredible. As I'm learning more, I found out that I need tools. I have one of those on. So, I already got this gimbal for GoPro. It is really nice, little practical, lightweight. But the thing is with GoPro, the camera doesn't have that really shallow depth of field. Lately I've been shooting a lot with my DSLR because I want to have that blur in the foreground and background. For that reason, for that very reason, I'm actually such a no-brainer because I'm actually adding this to my logistic now every time I travel. But look at this. By the way, this is not sponsored. This is what I'm gonna unbox today. Alright, I'm excited and I'm hoping that you guys get excited too. Lock right here. So cool. This is like a treasure box. Oh, look at these. This is so young and juicy. It's pretty solid. Hello? Anybody home? So, will I vlog with Ronin-S? The answer is, I don't think so. It's heavy, it's bulky, it attracts too much attention. So the whole setup you're looking at here is easily 3 to 4 kilograms, which is about 8 pounds. For vlog, I will still rely on this Gorilla Pod. Nice, simple, lightweight, easy to carry. This is the best. But if I'm out shooting with Ronin-S, then I might as well just vlog with Ronin-S. It's the best. Guys, if you like this video, please do hit like, subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. This is, by the way, not a review. It's not sponsored. This is basically the tools that I need, and I finally got it, and it will help a lot with my filmmaking. It's time to up the game. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or Facebook message, Instagram message. You know what to do. Any feedback, feel free. It's just a little man here trying to get better and better and better every day, just like what you should do as well. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. This is my first vlog using the Ronin-S. The footage should be a little bit smoother, or a lot smoother, maybe I should have said. I'm at Catherine Hills Bay at the moment. You guys look at this background, the pier in the background, awesome. Aduh, gua lewat lagi. We are repeating the same scene. It's